Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited because I received a new box from the Happy Planner today, and I believe this has some of the new back to school stuff in here. So join me now for an unboxing of this greatness here. Let's get started. So here's all the stuff. And I'm gonna go through these one by one, and then I will do individual flip throughs, but like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, okay, I'm gonna go through this one by one here so it's a little bit better organized. And then like, oh my gosh, so pretty. Okay, first things first is this sticker book storage. And I'm not the I think this is my sixth sticker book storage that I now have from the Happy Planner. And I think it's encouraging me to buy more stickers to fill all of these up. But if you guys don't have a sticker book storage, it's actually really easy to set up. It comes flat like this, and you actually just open it. There are sticker tabs that you put there, and you just really open it up so that it becomes that shape, and then you stick the tabs on the side. But I love these, and I need to find more room for them in my office here. All right, so that's the first thing. The second thing, I'm gonna put those to the side first. This pen case, this is gorgeous. Ooh, I love the pink strap. So you can put this on to the outside of your planner, really pretty. I would still actually use this as like a purse going out, because I don't actually carry a very big purse. I like to put things all in one thing. This would be perfect for that. The next thing, oh gosh, this is so pretty. So there's, I believe, this collection. I just have to make sure that all this other stuff doesn't go with that. Okay. So this collection, Teacher Florals. Like, how gorgeous is that? So this comes with the, I think these are the accessory stickers, but oh my gosh, how pretty are those? Let's zoom. I love those quotes and all of those florals. Love, love, love. I will go through a more detailed flip through of this in a separate video, but you get 46 stickers. The next one here is this dotted lined paper notebook and dotted line paper. So yeah, basically it is lined paper, and it's got very pretty, 3 dashboards inside that, and you've got the pink, the light pink mini discs. Those are mini discs. And then here you have planner accessories. So this is for a big planner. And I actually didn't get a big planner, but this is for Teacher Florals, I believe it is. So this is a big planner accessories pack, and in it you get, looks like a folder, bookmark, stickers, and some paper in there. I will go through this one in more detail as well. And then the last thing I received in that pack, there's still a couple of others here. Last thing, or the planner that I received is a 12-month vertical layout. So I was hoping for an hourly, but no. So this is a vertical layout, which I think is still absolutely gorgeous. I would still absolutely use this. I think this is, I just love the colors. I'm the creator of my own life. Oh, and even the insides are just beautiful. So those are the planner accessories, the dotted line paper, and the stickers. And then, oh, I missed this. And then there were these bookmarks. So there are 3 bookmarks in here. You've got Dream, those really pretty stars, and then the Be Kind. And then I also received the big, so this is made for the big Happy Planner everyday paper. So you've got on one side, plan all the things, and then the other side, I believe, is dot grid. Yeah, and then classic paper, which is dot grid on the front, and then dotted lined on the back. So those are like some of the things that I got in my box. And then the last thing are these sticker books, and these were the 3 that I wanted. These were the 3 that when I saw the collections, these were like, I want these 3 collections. These are the collections that I want, and I got them. So, fancy florals, just a very quick flip through. What does this one remind me of? Sophisticated, oh, ho, ho, ho. Already I love that. Kind of reminds me of the color of one of the color schemes in the Big Flower Power. Reminds it, oh, I love it. I feel like this is made for the big Happy Planner because just the size of the boxes. Beautiful. But I can show you guys how I would use these in even a mini. And then rock this. I love the color scheme. Now, I'm not a teacher, but there's grading, copy prep, good times, reschedule. I could use some of these, like the due date. And I mean, the kids could use some of these too, but I would use it mostly for all the decorative stuff. Like, I love the color scheme. Oh, happy birthday, lesson plan. I love that. Oh, I think my favorite thing in here, and I passed it, is these. I think there's only like 1 page of that, which is unfortunate, but I love that one. And then quickly, teacher florals. Oh my God. Oh, love. Oh my goodness. That's stunning. I don't normally get the teacher sticker books or the student sticker books that come out during this time because I'm not a teacher, I'm not a student. So I wouldn't normally purchase these, but this is beautiful. I probably wouldn't use the assignment stickers, but I could probably use them for work. We'll see. That is probably my favorite out of this whole release so far. I will do a more detailed flip through of those 3. All right, so that's everything that I've received in my box today. I love it. I always love a good notebook, vertical planner. I don't know what I'm going to do with the big planner accessories yet, but it's still so pretty. And then I always love good note paper, and I could always use another sticker storage box. Never say no to that. And I love this pen case. Like, I would actually use it as just like a regular little pouch handbag thing. And the stickers, teacher florals, I think is my favorite. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. So I'm going to leave details in the description below as to when these will be available on the Happy Planner website. And there will be a sale going on for the first few days as well after the release. So you can go ahead and click on my affiliate link down in the description below. But otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching. I will also include links below for the separate videos for these. Again, thank you so much to the Happy Planner for sending me all this, and I'm so excited and grateful for all of this. Thank you guys, and have yourselves a great day.